something for you to try if you learn the violin and if you have started adding your first 3 fingers to the strings. Let's try each phrase copycat style. I play, you play. First, get ready, stand well, best bow hold, bow on D, and here's the first phrase. Your turn. Let's try and play the whole song together now. Are you ready? Bow on D, off we go. Now for a bigger challenge. We're going to try and play this as a round. I will start, and as soon as I complete my first phrase, you start from the beginning. Keep going, and we will play the whole tune twice through. Good luck! I hope you enjoyed that.